Hey everyone, this is Aaron with Crypto Trends. Today is March 28th, a significant day in the day of the market. March 28th, 2019. Bull Run. This is the sixth in my series, and they have all been building up to today. So this episode is Bull Run, and so it begins. We'll cover that. Also, VeChain. Yet another record. It's amazing. VeChain is just cranking along, and we'll take a look at it. This will just be a quick video, so before we begin, please make sure to like, subscribe, and get notified. Also, that this is not financial advice, just my opinion. Okay, so let's get to it. So am I streaming? Yeah, I'm streaming. Alright. So let's go. Oh my gosh. Justin, had to mute the Trump rally for this. Oh my god. That is such a compliment. I cannot tell you. And yeah, Hanjo, I'm starting early today because I have to go give meditation class in just a few minutes. But anyway, significant things have occurred, and let me show you what's going on. Okay, as far as Wycovian stuff, here's the Bitcoin chart, okay, and this is on the week. Alright, it's on the week. And you know where it goes, right? You've seen this, what, how many millions of times? And yeah, I really need to pay for this guy. If you guys use TradingView, pay for it. Yeah, get out of there, Node. Okay, so what is going on is, if we're looking, let me put auto back on. If we're looking at the market here, okay, we look at the market, we see what's going on, and what we basically have is that we have volatility. We're talking about volatility, so we don't have these huge ups and downs, right? Okay, huge volatility. It's really simmered down, and it has become pretty much boring, okay? Pretty much boring. The volatility, though, is very important. That's one important thing. And then also another very important thing is, let me take auto off and then just go like that a bit. Another important thing is look at the volume. Look at the volume. So we have very, very low volume, but yet the price is going up. Okay? So what does that mean? That means that the composite operator, that entity that you think of that's, I don't know, made of smoke and mirrors and, I don't know, hangs out in dark rooms in the back of a, I don't know, whatever, right? You know, that entity or that person, the one with all the money that can afford to move the market up and down. Anyway, what this means is when there's very low volume accompanied with, well, actually a declining volume accompanied with a big decrease in volatility, that means that they now have a majority of the supply in their control. And the significance of that is that they can now move it up with very, very little effort. And if anybody else wants to buy Bitcoin, the supply is basically gone, okay? Because they hold it all. And it could just be, I think there's a couple CO composite operators, and that's described in Wyckoff. Check out Wyckoff, okay? Wyckoff. But anyway, we have declining volume and very, very pretty low volatility here. And additionally, what do we have? We have another really cool indicator. This is on the week, of course. We have a green candle that is very, very, very low volume, okay? And that kind of kicks things. All right, so what's the purpose of all this? Let me go here to the day. I think I lost my yeah, those things went away. Let me go back to the week here. I was looking for my little lines I had. Go back here to Mr. Auto. Oh, there they are. Okay. Gotta scroll out. There they are. Okay. So if you can see down here, okay, see down here in the volume. Right there, I just clicked on it. So there's a line. I just drew a line here from, close enough to the top down to the bottom of it, okay? And then I drew a line going across this horizontal white line, if you can see it. Hopefully you can. Okay, so that's a little bit above the volume where we're at. And so if we look back at the times of when the volume was below this long white line, and yes, we're charting volume, what we see is that similar pattern to this. We have declining supply down to where it's very, very low, okay, real low. The next time we have that is back here, okay. As you can see, it's right in the center of the screen, low volume, and it was declining, downtrend, really, really low volume, okay. And then what happened right here? Notice how the volatility here is like nothing, okay? It's like boring. But then look what happened to the right of it, okay? Here's another thing just to the left. Low volume, declining volume. Once again, see this volatility? Larger to smaller, okay? It's coiling up and getting smaller. Very, very low volume. Oh, look, there's a green candle. Wham. And here, same thing, right here. Low volume, it was declining. Low volume, low volatility, descending. Volume here from high to low. Okay, boom, 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 boom. So today, what I'm doing is that I am saying that, okay, this is the start of the bull market. It is Opus 1. So get ready for the music, guys. Get ready for the music. And yeah, I've been accused of people, not calling my my shots and stuff like that. But I'm calling this one. I'm saying today's pretty much the start of it. We go down, look at the daily thing. What do we have? Really, really low volume. We're just zoomed in on it, right? Less and less volatility. This is classical Wyckoff stuff for not only a candle like this, but even more aggressive candles like the Jedi candles, okay? So you can check out Wyckoff and we'll see what happens. And when stuff like this happens, we'll just see. This is just an observation I made. Granted, it's a market and it can go either way. The odds of this happening are 50-50. That is for sure. Of going either up or down. My opinion, which may or may not mean anything. Don't follow me for financial advice, that's for sure. I've been wrong more times than I've been right. But anyway, I'm calling it, guys. So yeah, I'm calling that little thing. We can see right here the trend lines. It's getting squeezed, and we all know that that's usually decision time, isn't it? Okay, so that's that for Bitcoin. Best of luck to everyone. Let's check out what in heck is going on with VeChain. VeChain. Oh my gosh. It's just been cranking. So right now it's up a little bit, 3%, right around 3% range. Okay, this is on Binance, and you can see there it goes zoop. Looks like it's doing its thing. Okay, so that's VeChain. So what's the record? Its transactions. Its transactions are 5 million, and that is a record. Look at this build going on. Okay, they're getting things put on the database, and they're having huge numbers of transactions. Now in the future, this big old bump right here might look like this little tiny smudge over here on the 4th. Okay, as far as scale goes. But VeChain is just getting busier and busier and busier on the transactions. This coin is in use. It is in use. Okay, these are not fake BS transactions. And there you go. So congratulations to VeChain. A lot of hard work. A lot of hard work went in to be able to make this happen and to become a reality. So best of luck to the VeChain team. Really, hats off to you guys. Not an easy accomplishment to actually have a real world use case in enterprise business. Okay? Not easy. Enterprise businesses, not easy. So best of luck to them. And that's about it. Just making a real short one, guys. And then Moore says, how am I feeling? I'm feeling pretty good. I'm going off right now to go teach Nadon and Taoist meditation. So that's always a good day. Anyway, don't forget to like, subscribe, and get notified. Share the video. It helps out the channel. Put comments below. And yeah, good luck with crypto, and shall it be a bull run for all of us. Catch you later. Bye.